We are live with another Quick Tip Tuesday, each and every Tuesday, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Today's topic is homestyle renovation loans. So homestyle renovation loans, it's similar to FHA 203K loans. They have a lot of similarities, some differences. So what a homestyle renovation loan is the construction loan for conventionals. So you can purchase a home, include the rehab in the mortgage, and you basically have to be approved for the entire acquisition. For example, you're buying a house for $300,000, you're putting $100,000 work into it, you have to qualify for $400,000. The down payment is for the $400,000 mark, so keep that in mind. You will need a licensed contractor, keep that in mind. One of the biggest differences from FHA 203K versus conventional homestyle renovation, number one, you can do luxury updates. So if you didn't have a pool in your home, you can add a pool. FHA doesn't allow you. I believe if you can repair a pool, that's about it. But you cannot add a luxury item. You can add like a barbecue pit. You can add a lot of luxury items that are possibly backyard or other things within the house that can be included in your homestyle renovation. So that's a huge difference. Another one is you can actually use it for an investment property. So if you're looking for a homestyle renovation on an investment property or second house, you can actually do that. FHA is only for primary residence. So that's another huge difference there. With conventional, you could do primary, 1 to 4 families, and then for the investment part or second home part is only single families or condos. So you cannot do investment property in multifamily. So that's something to keep in mind. Let's see, if you can occupy the home, you can add up to 6 months payments into your mortgage. So that's huge. So if you can occupy, if the construction is going to take longer than expected, you can add some of that mortgage into the payments into the mortgage. Of course, you have to qualify for that higher mortgage amount, something to keep in mind. The contractors are similar to FHA. Contractors are paid in draws, so contractors are not paid until you close. Of course, they have to provide the paperwork, the license, and all the stuff and get approved by the bank. So keep that in mind. It's very similar, kind of similar to FHA 203K. I did a video a couple weeks ago on FHA 203K, but I kind of like the conventional program a little more. Of course, same conventional guidelines. You have to qualify on the credit side, qualify that's the income side. Can be higher down payment depending on certain criterias. Need a higher credit score, but it allows you to do different homes. You could do a second home, homestyle renovation. You could do construction on that home. You could do it on investment property, single family home. If you're buying a single family home, maybe out of state, second home out of state, you can do a construction on that. So that's actually pretty huge. FHA doesn't allow that. What else do we have? We spoke about the luxury items. So that's pretty much the most of all I wanted to discuss regarding homestyle renovation. I did a pretty longer video on FHA 203Ks. Most of those kind of go in line with this. The ones I touch on, that's most of the differences. But if you wanted to learn more and want to see how you can actually get a homestyle renovation loan for your first house, second house, investment property, just let me know. Shoot me a message, and if you want to discuss any other topics on next week's Quick Tip Tuesday, shoot me a message as well. Have a great rest of your night.